Where do I begin to tell the story of how great a love can be? The sweet love story that is older than the sea. The simple truth about the love she brings to me. Where do I start? With her first hello, she gave a meaning to this empty world of mine. There'd never be another love, another time. She came into my life and made the living fine. She fills my heart. She fills my heart with very special things, with angel songs and wild imaginings.
Ano ang dahilan? Bakit nagbago ka? Pag-ibig mo ngayon ay di na madama. Nalulungkot ako, nagpapaalam ka dahil may mahal ka ng iba. Ano ang gagawin kapag wala ka na? Nasanay na ako na lagi nang kapiling ka. Ang buhay ko pala ay wala nang halaga kung iiwanan mong nag-iisa. Ano ang gagawin kapag wala ka na? Papanong puso kong ayaw umibig sa iba? Aasa lang kaya habang may hininga? Baka sakaling balik ka pa.
Moon River, wider than a mile, I'm crossing you in style someday. You dream maker, you heartbreaker, wherever you're going, I'm going your way. Two drifters off to see the world. There's such a lot of world to see. We're after that same rainbow's end, waiting round the bend, my huckleberry friend. River and me. We're after that same rainbow's end, waiting round the bend, my huckleberry friend. And me. take my eyes off of you, you'd be like heaven to touch.